Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to make dock icons bigger only when you hover over them. So if you want to keep your dock compact while still making app icons easier to see when you are about to click them, then dock magnification is the perfect feature. Instead of increasing the size of dock every time, it enlarges only the icon near your cursor. It gives you the best of both clean looking dock and larger icon whenever you need them. So to enable this feature, first click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and in dock section, you can see a slider for magnification. To enable this, slide this slider to right to choose how large the icon should become when you hover over them. As you can see, I have placed this slider in the middle and I take the cursor to dock, it enlarges a little bit. But as soon as I slide this slider all the way to large, it enlarges icon at the maximum capacity when I take the cursor to any icon. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.